Okay, first time I've touched this camera since last year. And the first time of me doing a video with wearing a mask due to COVID. So I'm here at the Field Museum in Chicago. They got this temporary dinosaur right here. Let's just go back so you can see a better view of it. This is only here for 2 weeks, so I came up specifically to see this. This is kind of like soup, but it has skin. And apparently this must be a meat eater because it's eating another animal. So this is only here for 2 weeks. It came on August 1st. It left, it's saying about on the 14th or 15th, I think. And here's, well, eat it. Here it is. And there's two above. I'll go to the other side so you can see it from the other angle. Here's the front. And here's the other side of it. So it's only going to be here for a couple weeks. Take it or lose it. It's free with no missing. Just like everywhere else, you gotta go on the website and make a reservation in advance. Pay for tickets online. That's pretty much what Chicago's doing everywhere. Alright, so that's the new dinosaur. It's only going to be here for 2 weeks. I'm not sure where it was before it came to the field. No less don't know what's going to next, but yeah, I found out because they post on Facebook, and then I got emails about it saying come see this exhibit now. It's only going to be for 2 weeks, and encourage new members like me to come and see it. So yeah, that's the new exhibit.